This is the very first lesson in the series of how to create Roblox games. In this lesson, you are going to learn how to install Roblox Studio and to run the development environment. Roblox Studio is the software that we need to use in order to create games. You do need to have a computer. A mobile phone is not enough. Mobile phone is useful if you want to test Roblox games. But if you want to make them, you do need to have a computer. So if you have Windows or Macintosh, then you can do it. The way you find Roblox Studio is using Google or some another search engine, and if you just type Roblox Studio download, then hopefully you will find this correct website. However, if for whatever reason you can't find it from Google search engine, you can also type in manually the URL, which is create.roblox.com. As it is on the website, you can find there is installation guideline and it has 5 steps. So if you follow these steps, you can actually do it. So first you need to download it, then you need to open the download file, depending if it's Macintosh or Windows, and then you need to launch it. And then finally you need to log in with your account. So let's do it. So if I click on this download button, I will have a pop-up. You might have slightly different design, but the idea is the same. And then you have to find the Roblox Studio on your computer, and on Windows you can use this search tool and type Roblox Studio. Once you have opened the Roblox Studio, it will have this sign-in form. And here you need to use your previously existing account. If you don't have the account, you do need to create it. You can use the sign up button or you can do it on the website. But if you have a Roblox account, you are playing Roblox games, you can use the existing account you have. So once you're logged in with your account and Roblox Studio is open, you can see here many options. You can see templates, you can see here previous experiences. For example, my previous experience is Boxtubers, a game that I'm working on, but let's choose a template, a base template. So now that base template is open, you can see a Roblox Studio main development view. I'm not going to explain here everything that we have. We are going to do that in future lessons. But here I can show you how to play the development environment, and you can see here is this blue arrow. If you click on this blue arrow, this will play it and you can run around with your character, and this character is called humanoid, and you can jump, you can run. So in the future lessons, I'm going to teach you how to add, edit 3D models. I'm going to teach you how to release games and many more advanced features, but these are future lessons. But for now, thank you for watching.